Meaning of diurnal.
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 Diurnal. Diurnal refers to something that occurs during the daytime or is active during the day. It is the opposite of nocturnal, which refers to things that occur or are active at night. Diurnal animals are creatures that are active and hunt during the day, while diurnal plants open their flowers during the daytime and close them at night. The term can also refer to a daily cycle or pattern. Diurnal rhythms are natural cycles that repeat approximately every 24 hours, such as the sleep-wake cycle in humans.